to the county and the other relevant authorities to do thorough investigation of that incident. I want to emphasize that as healthcare workers, doctors, nurses, clinicians, we took an oath. Healthcare workers can work anywhere and we work without partiality. So that incident still shocks us, and as we advise the healthcare workers, all of them to withdraw their services, still that position remains until such a time we feel it's secure for them to resume back to work. Thank you.
Say this without fear. So my name is Oboge Lazarus Ogden, and yesterday, as my colleague has said, we made a statement about the incident that happened at Nduru, and we want to categorically say this without fear, that we are aware the people behind the act that occurred in that facility were well organized, and they were organized by the local politicians. Let us not beat around the bush and don't say the truth on what transpired in that place. There is no way the community can organize themselves in such a way to try and prevent a working workforce to do their job, and because this was a normal government procedure and it was well communicated. So there is no way we are going to keep quiet and not condemn what happened there, especially to our local leaders. In the 21st century, where we have the constitution, we have the laws of the land, we cannot behave like animals. And it is something that we are telling our people and our members who are the healthcare workers, all of them, that there is nobody who is going to return back to that place until the leadership of the county government, the local leadership and the area MP and all the MCAs in that area, they come together and solve the issue that is there. Meanwhile, that place will remain deserted completely, and we mean that. We are not going to have our members going there, not until we are certified that the place is safe for our members. That is what we are saying. And there is nothing that can stop that. We are hearing they are galvanizing and organizing their locals to go and demonstrate, which is their right. But we are saying this, it is also our right that we cannot practice where we feel we are unsafe. So until they sort that issue, let them riot until forever, but we don't care. Our lives matter. Thank you.